The libreng sakay. What we have done is we will continue the libreng sakay. We are going to stop the libreng sakay in MRT3. We will transfer the libreng sakay to doing this wrong. We are in libreng sakay continues.